Have you ever felt like true love is a needle in a haystack? With this Gemini new moon, the aspect of listening in our love expressions and communication is being emphasized as seeds to cultivate during this new lunar cycle. We cultivate listening to our guardian angels through belief, asking and being open to receive. They want to assist us in our love lives. They want to help create opportunities for sacred partner encounters. If we listen, we will receive signs, dreams, feelings, physical sensations, and intuitive nudging and experience. Soul recognition with this person that is our partner in growth, in ascension. They want us to ask for their assistance. They want to help us cut through the haystack of our thoughts, emotions, and past experiences to do with love despair and love doubts and love karma. They are telling us that they are listening to us in regards to our love desires. They already are attentive and active listeners for us. They are also opening us up during the cycle to not only become attentive and active listeners to them, but also to our sacred partner, and to hear our sacred partner in his or her role as a guardian angel for us as well, just like we are for them. To listen with intent is a transformative tool in connection. When we fully engage with the other's experiences, we allow them to feel seen and heard. To listen is a powerful form of connection where we honor the other person's feelings. Thank you. Narakasti karaka nartitanata andurti unkurukusti karaka ankaharakasti korokon nirtirtanata ansihte nirtirtanata anurto urtosti karaka lankarakasti karakan siarta lankarakan natirto usti korokon siarta nirti urto us la acharta as dirti urtona ankahalakasti karaka likorokon siarta Korokon ortiurto ostikaraka la nartos di korokona anurta londas diartanartaan. Londas diortonartaan ni uhortos di karaka la nas diortonartaan diorti urtos di korokono oogta ortos di karaka nankarti irtanartaan dihir nankarta artos di korokona ankala azich dihirta onsondriartanartaan diorti londo orokos di karaka londortos di karakan siarta londortos di karaka acharta li i karakan siarta li i karakan ortos di korokon siarta la narta astihir na anurto osti korokon siarta ankarakasti karaka ankarakasti karaka ankarakasti karaka ankarakasti karaka ankartos di korokon siarta ankartos di koroko onortos di karaka li i hartas di karaka nortiurtonoto ondi hichte ondo orokos di karaka nanartas di karaka richtig. It is done. It is so. Thank you. With all my love, Francie.